Time to put the slate ladder in. I decided to screw it in right here and over here with a 2.5-inch screw. And when I take them out, I'll have to put in a one of the metal screws. So I went up there and I closed in one side the best I could. I ran out of time, so I need to do that over there, or right there, right up on top. Tonight I'm gonna have to use my headlight, and then we'll be pretty watertight, and then I'll have to come back and open it back up later and do another section. And for now, the slate ladder will stay in here. It's going to get wet. It's going to have to dry, which it will dry pretty fast. It's hemlock, open grain. And then we'll debate whether we're going to put in another row of shingles, because if I don't, the slate ladder works. I don't have to build another one. So we'll decide that later. And let's get up through there, because we could decide not to do it and then put some metal screws right up along the edge here and we'd be good to go. Okay. Time to quit for now.